Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video, you're probably trying to figure out how to actually get a hold of a real person at the EDD. If you're calling this number and your call keeps getting dropped, or you're not even able to be put on hold, or you're on hold for hours, I'll give you some top tips to actually getting through to someone and the cold hard truth about getting a hold of a real person at the EDD. I have filed several claims with the EDD for pregnancy, disability, and also paid family leave for both my husband and I for our 2 children. I never had any issues with the online portal previously until this last claim with my pregnancy. I got disqualified and there was no reason for the disqualification and I didn't understand why, so I was left no choice but to call in. Throughout this process, I learned a lot and I was able to get a resolution for my claim. First off, this is the number for the California EDD to ask questions about your disability or paid family leave claims. If you call the number, they are available 8 through 5, Monday through Friday. I recommend calling at 8 a.m. Wednesday through Friday. I placed calls to the EDD throughout the entire week at all different times. Monday, Tuesday, people are really trying to get things done, so it's a safer bet calling at the tail end of the week and right at 8 a.m., like literally when it turns from 7:59 to 8 a.m. The other times I had success calling was at more at the end of the day, towards like 2 to 3, leaving myself plenty of time to be on the notoriously long hold. What's gonna happen when you call in is you're gonna go through all these prompts. You're gonna basically press the numbers to get to the hold line. And if you don't get put on hold, if it doesn't say that you're going on hold and the line just drops, it's because they don't even have room for you to be on hold. So that's what's happening. No one's hanging up on you. They just have so many callers that they're not even allowing you to be on hold. Callers on average typically have to call in 100 to 200 times before their issue actually gets resolved. If you do get on hold, these are the things that you're gonna need to have and what you're gonna need to do. So you need to have your phone fully charged or on the charger because you're gonna be waiting a while. You need to have good service. If you actually get a hold of someone and the call gets dropped, they will not call you back. Make sure you have good reception and you have a long time to just have your phone on speaker and wait. The other things you're gonna wanna have are your claim number, mailing address, social security number, and your account number is also helpful as well, although it's pretty easy for them to verify your identity with these pieces of information. I did want to make this video for you guys, so what I did when I actually got a hold of someone is I asked them a couple of questions to figure out some information to share with my viewers because I was so completely frustrated with this process. I did get a hold of someone 2 times and the call got dropped and I had perfectly fine service. I did not hang up the call. So I asked them, do you actually call people back if this call gets dropped? And he said no. Guess what? Our call got dropped and I had to call back in again. Make sure you have good reception. No guarantees your call's not gonna get dropped. They don't care about your claim, unfortunately. They're just doing volume. So they're just getting through calls. If you are not kind to them, they do have the chance to hang up on you and just go to the next caller. So try to be as pleasant as possible in the really frustrating situation that it is. There are 300 agents that handle the calls and they get 250,000 calls a day. So there's just no way they can get to everyone. If you call into the number and you don't have the option to be put on hold, that just means there's too many callers in the queue and the line is just gonna drop. Every time I got a hold of someone, I waited about 2 hours on hold. So that was about the average hold time that I saw. The good news is that when I did get a hold of someone and our call didn't get dropped, she did answer my questions and she was able to move my claim along in the process. It did get approved, and I did receive my check within about 3 days of that call. Unfortunately, sometimes calling is the only way to get a resolution for your claim. Their online system is super laggy. If you fill out 2 pieces of information twice, it gets confused, which could disqualify you or prolong the approval process. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments below. If you need specific information on paid family leave or pregnancy-related disability claims, you can watch some of the other videos on my channel that are super helpful, and we will see you on the next video.